stress, anxiety, depression, anger, and all these things are bothering to someone. So I'm going to discuss 15 top tips to reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and also anger. So let's start. And nature is also best medicine to stay healthy. Let's learn ways to reduce stress without medication. Also, I'm going to explain and how to get some help if you can't manage your stress, anxiety, and depression using these tips. Number 1, when you are stressed, anxiety or depression when you have, or when you are angry, you can walk. Go out for a walk. Walk at least 30 minutes every day. If you walk every day 30 minutes, you can stay healthy and also can minimize your anxiety and stress. Walk at least 30 minutes every day. Number 2, exercise. Exercise 3 days a week. Exercise 3 days a week. Twice. Twice meaning 2 times. Week means 7 days a week. Weight. Weigh it. Weight. You need these words to learn next sentences and next tips. Another word is lifting. 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 Weigh it. Weight. Lifting. Lifting. Twice means 2 times. Week means 7 days a week. Number 3, lift weight 2 times a week. When you exercise, you can lift weight 2 times a week. Do weight lifting twice a week. We can say it another way using twice a week. Do weight lifting twice a week. Four, meditate every day to reduce your stress. So meditation is another way to control, reduce, manage your stress, anxiety, and depression, also anger. Meditate every day to reduce your stress. Go hiking. Go hiking. Do yoga. Do yoga. Enjoy the nature. Enjoy the nature. Forest bathing. Forest bathing. Spend more time outside to reduce your stress, anxiety, or anger. When you are angry, or when you are sad or stressed, you can go out and spend time with the nature. Forest bathing. Spend more time outside to reduce your stress. Listen to music. Listen to music. When you are tired studying or doing something, you can take a break listening to music. Number 9. Listen to music. Share how do you feel. Share how do you feel. You can share your feelings talking to a friend. Talk to a friend. Talk to a friend. Share how do you feel. Share how do you feel. When you are not happy, when you are angry, you can talk to a friend to share your feelings. Number 10. Talk to a friend. Share how do you feel. Number 11. Get a break. Rest. When you are studying, cooking, or from your work, get a break and rest. Do something you like. Maybe you can go out and have some fresh air, or you can meditate, or you can draw a picture or paint. Do something you like. You need to get a break, rest, do something you like. Thirteenth technique is take deep breaths. Take deep breaths. Like take a breath. You can breathe through your nose and hold it for a few seconds and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, hold, breathe out through your mouth. Let's try one more time. Do it several times. you can feel the difference. Number 14, count 1 to 10. Focus on counting. Count 1 to 10. Finally, if all these techniques doesn't work, you can ask for help. Or while you are getting help, you can use these techniques to manage your stress, anxiety, depression, and also your anger. How do you get help? How do you get help? 1. Talk to your family doctor. Talk to your family doctor. 2. Call or text distress center. Call or text distress center. Phone number is 403-266-4357. Phone number is 403-266-4357. This is the phone number of distress center. Three, talk to your psychiatrist. 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 Talk to your psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is the doctor knows more about the brain, your mind. 4. Talk to a psychologist. Psychologist. 5. Talk to a therapist. Therapist. Talk to a therapist. Psychologist and therapist will give you tips and tricks to reduce your stress, anxiety, and anger or depression. So they will help managing techniques. They will give you how to manage your stress. They will teach you how to manage your stress and anxiety. Psychiatrist gives you medication. You can get all the services talking to your family doctor. Your family doctor will help you to get all the service to you. So try to practice the techniques and find out what works for you. I hope you can lead a stress-free life. Practice this as an English lesson and also apply this into your day-to-day life to get good result. Stay healthy, everyone. Take care.